and with all that rain on the way and the risk for flooding, it's important to make sure you're prepared for just about anything and everything.
Yeah, David Greenberg joins us live this morning with some flood safety tips. David, what do we need to know?
Yeah, well, good morning, guys. Flood safety, it is super important. And there's some things you should get in order and prepare just in case. The National Weather Service says it's good to check your insurance coverage to see if your home is covered with flood insurance. If not, try and get some. Be sure to keep that insurance, other important documents, other valuables in a waterproof safe or some sort of safe deposit box. Make an itemized list of personal property well in advance and be sure to take photos and or videos of both the interior and exterior of your home. This one is just generally good to have in the event of any form of severe weather, but if you have a disaster supplies kit and you don't already have one, make sure that you get one. Things like non-perishable food, water, a flashlight, a first aid kit. It's important to stay ready, not get ready. Now let's talk about your basement. This is one here folks in Northeast Ohio are particularly accustomed to. Check that sump pump, make sure that it's working properly. A lot of sump pumps, you can now actually test them by pouring water into it and to make sure that it properly disperses it out and away from your basement. Big thanks to Matt Wintz for that. Also, clear your gutters of any leaves or twigs caught in there that could prevent the rain from flowing away from your house. And be sure to seal any cracks in the foundation and install well covers to prevent heavy rainfall from seeping through your basement windows. Also, just a good thing to be mindful of, be careful when trying to walk through any floodwaters in your home or your basement, especially if you don't have those GFCI outlets. Turn off the power so that when you're walking through, you don't get electrocuted. Matt?
Yeah. Well, some good tips, David. Thanks for that. And a reminder, you can get the latest weather and traffic information on our website, wkyc.com, or on the free 3 News app.